Hey everyone, it's Tuesday and my headlights came in. My taillights did not come in yet. They should be here. It says the 25th, but hopefully they'll be here before then. This is them right here. These are the fog lights. They're not like that bright yellow. I had them because my my taillights and my headlights are both like the smoked gray. So I didn't want the bright yellow. So these are smoked as well. And this is the grill. And finally, they're gonna look so good. So obviously I'm gonna be doing the headlights first, because to be honest, I might need some help with the fog lights. I know I'm gonna have to cut my bumper. I'm probably gonna need help wiring it too, because I don't know if I'm gonna know how to do that. But let's get to the installing. I know I need it. That's over there. So now it's time to take the old headlights out and put the new ones in. Look at the difference. I don't know why he's staring at me. But, alright, I think it's time to finally put these in. Let's go. So what I'm actually going to do first, I'm not going to film it, but I'm going to just put the bulb back in, into the new one. And I ordered HID bulbs, but they didn't come yet. So I want to be able to have these on working tonight. So I'm just going to put these in for now. And then it'll be just an easy switch whenever the HID ones come in. Look at that. What a difference. So now it's just the one more side to put the new grill in and the bumper back on. I don't know if I'm gonna do the fog lights today, but we'll see. Alright, so it's getting darker, the sun is getting down. The headlights are in. They look great. So those are in. Now I gotta put my bumper on and the grill. I don't know if I'm gonna do the fog lights. I really don't know. But if I do, of course I'll film it, and if I don't do it today, I will film it when I do it. So I went ahead and I got out both of the holes. So this thing comes with no instructions, but I'm gonna try to figure this out myself. Look at this. Everything is on and it looks amazing. I did not get to do the fog lights, but I did cut the holes out for the fog lights. So that's already been cut, so they're right there. I can put those in when I get some help. I'm so happy with the results of my car. So now I just have to wait for the taillights to get here. I have to put the fog lights in, and then I have to put the HID bulbs in when they come. So just after I recorded that, the mail lady dropped off the mail, and I think these might be my headlights. So I'm gonna go open them and see. I swear, if these are my lights and I just did all that, they're here. So that's a very easy fix. So I'm gonna go in, change these real quick, and then they're gonna look even better than they already did. The HIDs look so much better. Look at that. Beautiful. They look so good. They look amazing. I can't wait to drive with them at night. Even though I didn't get my fog lights in, I still took my car to the car wash today. I cleaned it out on the inside. I put my headlights in, got my new bulbs last minute. That was kind of irritating, but I still put them in. It wasn't that big of a deal. So now I just have to put my fog lights in and wait for my taillights to get here, and that'll be done for the lights. I'm sorry that I'm sick. I'm getting over a cold. I sound probably terrible. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed watching me put my headlights in. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you even want to, go ahead and put the notifications on so that you can be alerted whenever I get my fog lights and I put those in too.